Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fantastic Cars Group. Today I will check, show and clean about various mini cars, trucks, excavator, monster truck. Okay, let's check with me everybody. Firstly I have to clean this one first. แล้วគឺយើងលាងសម្អាតជាមុនសិននេះគឺជាប្រភេទឡានដ៏ស្អាតមួយគ្រឿង Check the next one. A short mini airplane. ឡានហោះតូច Check the next one. Number 3, red car. Very nice color. The next one. This one a monster truck everybody. នេះគឺជាប្រភេទ monster truck នេះគឺកង់ VM យើងមាន racer មាន racer ចំនួន 4 អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានេះ racer ចំនួន 4 នេះគេដាក់ថា boom boom a special monster truck. Let's check the next one. នេះគឺជាប្រភេទ motorcycle. motorcycle ប្រភេទ four wheels ប្រភេទ four wheels នេះយើងជិះយើងជិះនៅតាមភ្នំតាមតាម resort តាមសួនកំសាន្តអីជាដើម បងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាបើសិនជាចូលចិត្តចូលចិត្តនៅវីដេអូដែលបង្ហាញអំពីឡានបែបហ្នឹង កុំភ្លេចជួយចុច like comment ហើយបងប្អូនដែលមិនទាន់បានជួយចុច subscribe don't forget to subscribe សូមជួយចុច subscribe អ្នកមួយផង Okay. Okay everybody, if you like this video, please let me know by comment, like and especially subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I should finish my video right now. Thank you for watching again. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to subscribe.